You've been hearing about an increase in foreclosures and bankruptcies. If so, this might make you worried about the housing market, but you don't need to be. Let me explain what's going on. So, here you can see foreclosure activity rose in the third quarter, but let's put that into perspective. The red line is the number of foreclosure filings over time. You can see it's been ticking up some on the right side of the graph. But here's the thing, compared to the housing market crash, the tallest peak in the graph, the number today is way lower. And as the dotted white line shows, we're still in line with what was normal before the pandemic. Now look at this graph showing bankruptcies. Sure, they've increased a bit from last year and are getting close to that 2021 number. But you compare where we are this year with the bars on the left, you can see the number of bankruptcies today is still much lower than before the pandemic. Foreclosures and bankruptcies are going up a bit, but it's not a cause for concern. They're just approaching more normal levels. Sorry about that. If you have any questions, let's connect. I'm Jim Starwell, leader of the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate.